What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, yes, I know I look like crap, but there's a reason for that, so we're going to get into that real quick. I was actually filming a video for you guys Friday night with my car at 412 Dyno in Parsons, Tennessee with Jesse, as you've seen on the video before, where I had my car tuned with Daryl tuned my car back when we did Daryl's tune on the car. Well, we were filming an episode for the channel, and unfortunately we had some what we consider bad fuel probably in the car, so they were emptying the tank on my car. And you know, it's kind of one of those things we've done several times. You know, it's middle of winter, there are heaters involved and things like that. The fumes wasn't horrible, we didn't think a lot about it. I've worked in shops practically, you know, for years, and you know, there's always fumes with heaters. This unfortunately for this time, things went kind of wrong. The fumes ignited and caused a flash fire, which all the vapors in the air kind of went off at one time. And I was pretty close to the proximity of it, and as you can see, I ended up with some decent burns. What I've got is second-degree burns to the arms and face and the bottom of my stomach. But the bright thing is that no one was seriously injured. No lives were lost, and so that's the main thing. Daryl was also there, the tuner. He was also there. He received some burns to the face and arms also. But guys, we're all okay. I kind of just wanted to make this video to kind of update you guys, tell you guys what's going on, and keep you guys informed a little bit. Alright, so if you're watching this, I know you're wondering about the car. If you're new to the channel, the car is a 2017 California Special black car. Had a Roush supercharger with an 80mm pulley, Corsa stream exhaust, VMP heat exchanger, 1050X injectors, and was tuned by Daryl Wengerd Tuning and Performance. I highly enjoyed the car, but unfortunately the car was on the dyno at the time of this event, and when the flash fire happened, it happened so fast. We were, you know, like I said, I was burnt, Daryl was burned a little bit, and the first thing we needed to do was get out of the shop. And so we exited the shop, and unfortunately the fire spread to the car, to the dyno, and ultimately by the time the fire department got there, the whole shop was engulfed in flames. So the car was a total loss. Caleb actually went back and to the shop for me to get some footage to be able to share with you guys, kind of show you exactly what happened. So from the footage you can see that it appears that the dyno was a lift type, lifted up and back onto the Mustang dyno itself, and that lift fell, so the car is leaning down. Looks like the majority of the wheels melted off, all the interior is melted off. The strange thing was that the fenders are actually completely gone, melted off. It's kind of a shock to see, you know, the car, how much of the car a fire will actually destroy. And also looking back on the shop, how lucky we were to get out of the shop before it got too bad where we couldn't. And like I said, the main thing is here, guys, is that no lives were lost, and we are all going to be okay. No permanent damage. We'll all heal. As far as the car goes, the car was the pretty much what the channel was built around. When I first opened up the channel, this was the car I had, and all the performance modifications that I've done to the car, everything that I've done to the car was, you know, the channel was there for every bit of it. The car ended up running 1060s in the quarter before the season ended. to go E85, pulley down, and get that car into the nines this year. So unfortunately, all those plans are gone. So where do I go from here? Right after the event happened, I'm burned, and I looked a lot worse than I do now, guys. Right after something like that happens, you kind of go through this whole thought process of what I'm going to do with this, what I'm going to do with that, and then toward the end of the day, Saturday, it started, my thought process started shifting. What am I going to do with the channel? The channel is starting to grow. I enjoy making videos for you guys. It's one of my things I enjoy. Cars are my passion. Making these videos has been fun, and it's actually grown into a part of my life. So, I had to ask myself, did I want to give all that up? Did I want to stop all this? Or what did I want to do? Because like anything, any kind of tragedy that happens in your life, it kind of, you take back for a second and you think about some things. And then, as days goes on, you start getting better. Your thought process starts becoming more and more clearly. And talking to Caleb with Foxcast, with him a lot about it. And, it's something, this channel is something that I've built over time. And I'm not going to give it up because of a little minor setback. So what we're going to do, guys, is, as you know, I do have another S550, the 2015 white S550, and that will kind of be the car on the channel for right now. So that's what we're going to do right now, guys. Do I have plans for another car to come to the channel? Eventually, yes. There will be another car, and there will be plenty of videos about that as time goes on. Right now, I'm probably not going to be able to make as much videos as I have in the past. Because I'm trying to heal right now. I am, right now I'm trying to heal. I went back to the doctor today. They think everything's looking great. As I said, I second-degree burns on the arms, hands, and the face, and they're hoping within 2 to 3 weeks that I will be, as far as my face and all that will be healed, and then my arms and stuff like that. We'll just see as time goes on, but they're hoping 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks at most, so that's what I'm hoping for, guys. But as time goes on, I'll make videos, I'll update you guys, I'll keep you guys in the loop, and things like that. So I didn't want you to think the channel's going away, because the channel's not going away. The channel is here to stay, and this is just another chapter in the channel. Unfortunately, it ended before I was ready for it to end with the car, but things like this, you can't go back in the past. You can't change anything. All you can do is look forward. Alright, so that pretty much sums up this video, guys. I want to thank all of my subscribers. You all mean a lot to me, more than you actually know. For you guys to come in, subscribe to my videos, watch my videos, comment, and to participate in the live streams that I have, it means a lot, guys. But guys, also, I've got a lot of healing to do. I've got some insurance stuff to deal with and things like that, so I'll keep you guys updated as time goes on. And I'm gonna be back. 412 Dyno will rebuild and be back, and we'll be better than ever. And so guys, we're not going anywhere. We're going to be right here, so stay tuned, and I will take you along with the journey that I'm entering in right now. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.